Greetings and welcome back or welcome to my YouTube page. Today we're going to do an unboxing of another package from one of my most favorite stores ever. Apothecaries actually, and it is Potion and Lotion's Apothecary. Their websites and stuff will be posted down below. This was actually part of their Yule boxes, and this was sent to me by one of my good friends and very dearly followers who sent it to me, and I actually got it yesterday. I've already opened it, so let's dive in. There was a lot. So, starting out, we have these amazing cards. And they go over multiple things. You got a recipe for Yuletide punch. I love. Visions and premonitions. Believe in magic. And then we have the visions. Okay, now, okay, so with that, let's start breaking everything down. This right here, yeah. So let's see what these are. I was super excited about these. Oh, look at that. It's so gorgeous. Okay. I'm going to try to break these down. So we have Yule lore, and I also love it because you have a section with notes. And these are for like your Book of Shadows. We have an entire page of correspondences to Yule. It has altar decorations, animals, colors and candles, crystals, incense, oils, and herbs. And then you also have a section that you can fill out. Yule recipes, so you can make your own. We have Yule Ritual, which also comes with one as well, by the way. And it comes with everything you'll need for that ritual, which I'll get into a little bit later. Another Yule Ritual. Again, you have a lot of space right there. I know the lighting's weird. I'm sorry. I'm working with what I got. Yule Season Focus. What you need to be focusing on this year and into the next coming year. You have Yule, the Winter Solstice. Just more information. The history and tradition basics. Ways to celebrate it. This is also a great sheet to start researching and how to learn how to research and what things to research on about the specific holidays. We have another Yule, the Winter Solstice, deities, colors, creations, food and drinks, Yule anointing oil as well. Let me see. There we go. This is nice quality paper too. Printed very well. We also have a peppermint brownie for Yule, the entire preparation and recipe right there. We have, I also love this one, a Yule recipe card. Oh, there's also a back. Notes. I love this so much. And then we also have the abundance and gratitude ritual and or spell. And by the way, everything involved in this came in the box. There we go. That's part of that. That's part of the abundance spell. Oh, there was a back to that. Yeah, there you go. There's that page. Ooh, sorry. There's that page. And then we have that page. Full-on ritual, 2 pages. And then we have another Yule Solstice. Histories and tradition basics and ways to celebrate. And then we also have this one. More information about Yule. So, really quick, hold that thought. Sorry, I had to bundle those back up. Okay, so, you'll also notice that this is the second full unboxing video that I've done. I love this company. When I find a company that I get to, you can tell that love is in this, okay? So, with that being said, let's break down. So, we're going to go with this. This is one of the first things I unboxed. And by the way, some of these things were actually wrapped up in wrapping paper as well. I loved that. These right here are the most adorable wax melts I've ever seen. You got the little witch's hat. Sorry for the glare. Let me see if I can get a better shot without them falling out. There we go. Look at this. And when I tell you these smell amazing, whatever you think the scent of Yule is, you're wrong. It smells exactly like these, and I am super excited to use these. Now, I've actually gotten multiple products from them, from this company. They are a small business. Now, let's dig into the herbs. We have pine cones, tiny little pine cones, cinnamon sticks, a lot as well. This right here, I tried. It is Yuletide tea. This is one of the most amazing teas that I have ever tried. Like, it literally embodies Christmas. And all of her teas also have all the ingredients in it. So if you're not supposed to use or have certain herbs, you can definitely check that out. Bay leaves. This is what I was excited about. Half ounce of myrrh and frankincense. Yes. So sorry if you hear my cat in the background. Now, she also does a lot of potion and lotions, so obviously beauty supplies. And this right here is Dark Solstice Perfume. This stuff smells amazingly. All of her beauty oils, soaps, and perfumes that I've tried so far, they last, they linger, but it's not like punch you in the face. It's that perfect settle smell. Now, this right here I'm also excited for because this is the Mystic Anointing Oil. It literally smells of like cinnamon and cloves and just, I'm super excited to use this. And then we also have, I've never tried this before. I've actually never tried anything like this, but I'm super excited to, which is Winter's Kiss Sugar Lip Scrub. Let me see if it can focus. And it won't. And then what it actually looks like. She does have a protective thing on there, which I love. It smells so amazing too. And if y'all see me shaking, sorry, I had way too much coffee. Now, when I opened this and I screamed going down the road, I'm not even joking, I screamed going down the road. I don't really use pendulums that much. I have multiple ones, but this one right here has kind of inspired me to start using them. And you're about to see why. Is that not the most gorgeous pendulum you've ever seen? And the cool thing is, I've never seen this with one. It actually has a little holder for your finger. And it also comes in this adorable little bag. Now, I'm also super excited about this because something I've been desperately needing, I finally got. An actual little tea ball. Sorry, I used it last night for that tea. This stunning, amazing rose quartz spear, which I've only gotten like, I think I have 2 of these now, 2 different spears. Super excited about that. This I also screamed because look at that. Oh, Saspar, with the flower of life on it. There we go. Look at that. And then I'm also super excited about this, a little copper spoon. Now I actually have a silver one of these that I use for my coffee and my teas. So now I have another one. Of course, candles. Now there was a red and green one in here, but I burned them last night. We also have this amazing piece of, I believe it is moss agate. Like, I'm talking amazing piece. And then we have, I feel like I'm forgetting something, but I know I'm not. And then we have this. Oh, one of the earrings fell. Sorry. Yeah, there we go. This gorgeous set. It's a necklace. But yeah, now with this, like I said, I don't do this often unless I find a company that, like, I love. And I love all of their products. This is the, like I said, the second box. Whoop. This being one of the first ones I got. And I still use it. In that one, I actually have a video up on here. A lot of her oils and bath salts and soaps are just phenomenon. They smell amazing, they last long, and you can tell that she makes it with love and energy. Like I said before, they are called Potions and Lotions Apothecary. They have an Instagram, I know. I think they have a Facebook, and they have a TikTok. Like I said, all of that will be posted below. And then there's also, if you're here from TikTok, from the video that I posted, hi! Welcome to my YouTube channel. But, yeah, I'm super excited. And like I said, I tried this tea last night. It is amazing. I've tried, I believe, 2 of her teas. One that I was sent, I personally can't use it because there's St. John's wort in it, but my partner has. They're all amazing. But yeah, I just wanted to share that, and I'm super excited to actually dig and use these, especially the frankincense and myrrh, not to mention this perfume. I'm excited about the anointing oil as well. I don't actually have really anointing oil. So yeah, if you can, go give them a follow, go, you know, and if you've ever gotten anything from them, let me know in the comments. Leave a small little review. But yeah, go show them some love. And until then, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Like it, and I will be posting more videos coming soon. So until then, I hope you're all having a Yuletide and or holiday season. I hope everybody is good, and I just wanted to say y'all are amazing, and I love y'all.